In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use ChatGPT for SEO keyword research. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for anyone looking to grow their online presence, and doing solid keyword research can be quite time-consuming and overwhelming. But with ChatGPT, you can speed up your SEO research and uncover better content ideas in just a matter of minutes. Trust me, it's a game changer. So let's dive right into step 1. The first thing you want to do is to ask ChatGPT for keyword ideas. All you have to do is open ChatGPT and type in a simple prompt. For example, you can say, "Give me SEO keywords for digital marketing." The beauty of it is that you can replace digital marketing with any topic, niche, or service that you're looking to target. Whether it's fitness, home improvement, personal finance, or even local services, ChatGPT will give you a comprehensive list of broad keywords, related phrases, and possible subtopics. This becomes your foundation. It's an excellent way to get the brainstorming process started and see how your original topic can branch out into multiple angles for content. Once you have your initial keyword list, we move into the second step, which is finding long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords typically consist of more specific phrases that people search when they are closer to making a decision or looking for detailed information. To find these, you can prompt ChatGPT by asking, "Give me long-tail keywords with low competition." You can even refine your request by adding specifics about your niche, audience, or goal. For example, you might say, "What are long-tail keywords with low competition for beginner digital marketers?" Or, "What are some long-tail keywords for local SEO services?" These longer phrases are easier to rank for, and they're more likely to bring in qualified traffic because they align more closely with specific search intents. Now that we have our long-tail keywords, the third step is to group these keywords by search intent. This step is crucial because not every keyword is created equal. Some keywords are meant for informational purposes, others for transactions, and some are navigational. You want to instruct ChatGPT to categorize your keywords into 3 types: informational, transactional, and navigational. Informational keywords are fantastic for educational blog posts or guides, while transactional keywords work better for product pages or service offerings. Navigational keywords often relate to brand names or specific websites. By grouping your keywords this way, you can create a content strategy that resonates with what searchers are genuinely looking for. After placing your keywords into these groups, it's time for the 4th step, using those keywords to generate content ideas. You can ask ChatGPT to create blog titles using these keywords. This is where your keyword research evolves into actual content. Whether you need blog titles, YouTube video ideas, FAQs, or outlines, ChatGPT is an incredible resource. You can even ask it to make your titles more clickable or SEO-friendly. This step really streamlines content planning and eliminates that frustrating blank page syndrome. As you engage in this process, do keep in mind a smart way to maximize your results is to refine your prompts continually. If ChatGPT's first response seems too vague, don't hesitate to ask it to make the keywords more specific. If the competition looks high, ask for lower competition alternatives. And if your target audience is specific to a certain country or city, include that detail in your prompt. The more context and clarity you provide, the better your output will usually be. Another fantastic capability of ChatGPT is building full keyword clusters. After compiling your primary list, you can ask it to organize your keywords into topic clusters based around a central pillar. This will help in planning your website structure, internal linking, and creating multiple pieces of content around the same subject. It's especially handy if you're looking to grow a blog, niche, site, or business website. To summarize the entire process: first, collect your keyword ideas. Second, unearth those valuable long-tail keywords. Third, categorize everything by search intent. And finally, transform those keywords into actionable content ideas that you can publish confidently. That's how you can leverage ChatGPT for SEO keyword research effectively, saving you time and empowering a smarter planning process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more insights on AI and SEO. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.